Now let's talk about how you can find a niche. And there are tons of guides and resources on how to choose a niche and which niches are best, when in reality there are pretty much endless options here. For every subject area, there is a potential page to be built. I mean, I literally follow a page on Facebook called The Same Picture of Michael Cera Every Day. And that's all they post, the same picture of Michael Cera every single day. And I follow it, it's pretty hilarious. But because there's so many different options, instead of giving specific ideas, I wanna pose a few questions to ask yourself. First, do you have knowledge of this topic? Second, do you actually like this topic? Do you want to post about this every single day? It's going to make your life a lot easier and a lot more enjoyable if you actually like it. And then third, is the topic profitable? You want to find a niche that ideally hits all three of those criteria. And the next question is, how do you know if a niche is profitable? And to figure that out, you can kind of ask yourself two things. First, are there products associated with your niche? Ideally expensive products. The more products, the better. A page that's focused on golf or on makeup has far more opportunities and far more products to sell than a page on minimalism. And then second, who are the people actually following your niche? A follower base of 30-year-olds who are interested in finance are going to have more money to spend than a page followed by 15-year-olds. It's just how things go, unless it's some kind of ultra-rich 15-year-old. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.